Question. Bless you. I want you to please tell me all the numbers that, if we skip count by 3, all the numbers we can come up with. All right, hands down. Can you stop that? But let's go back to this first question. Okay? The first question was, as many numbers as you can name, if you were going to skip count by 3, tell me some numbers if you would skip count by 3. Take about 30 seconds to write your ideas down. If you were going to skip count by 3, what would they be? Ooh, that rhymes. How exciting. Got about 12 seconds. Okay, when I say click, you're going to close your marker so it clicks, and then we're done. And click. Okay, numbers that if you skip count by 3, that's what you get. Okay, what are some numbers if you skip count by 3? We'll start with 3. And raise your hand if you have a number in your head. Okay? Great. I'm done.
6.
6. All right, I'm going to stop. All right, raise your board. I want you to please tell me popular places in Kuala Lumpur that you would tell a friend to visit if they came to see you. Okay, hands down. So that second one was Kuala Lumpur. Came to Kuala Lumpur to visit you, what are some special places that you would like to take them to? Take 30 seconds to write down all your ideas. Where would you take them if you were going to show them around the town? Where would you go? I've got about 6 seconds. And click. Okay, raise your hand if you have an idea for where you could take your friends if they came to visit you in Kuala Lumpur. Raise your hand if you have an idea. You don't have an idea, Hunter? Oh, okay, sorry. All right, let's give me one. Pull them up.
The pewter factory.
Ah, the pewter factory. Great. Where would you go?
Sunway.
Sunway. Nice. All right, I'm going to stop right here. All right, let me